Hi middle school ELA teachers, this is Jen Duke, and this is a really quick video to help you understand the new framework for our middle school curriculum documents so that you can complete the feedback loop as we start working through our new documents. Here is a copy of the curriculum document framework that we're going to be using with our new curriculum rewrite. As you can see, it starts with an essential question, and we're in a really good place because our current documents are organized around theme, and we have really good essential questions. They just need to be tweaked and made a little bit deeper in some cases. Next, you'll see right here, big ideas. This part of the curriculum document, as you can see, kind of communicates the overall outcome of the unit, and these big ideas give you as teachers a clear interpretation of what should be happening during the unit, or in our case, during the quarter. As you scroll down, you'll see guiding questions. These will identify important skills, and for us, we're going to have content, process, and reflective questions that you can help build your instruction around. Then the next thing you'll be looking at on this first feedback loop are the focus standards. Here's the difference for us is that right now we have a document where we have all of our standards listed that we cover in each quarter. On this particular document, the focus standards are only going to be listed that are explicitly taught and assessed, whether formatively or summatively, within this unit or quarter. Other standards we know we're going to address, we will have a separate document that will list out all of the standards covered. But on this specific document, you will only see focus standards. Based around the focus standards, that helps us create the guiding questions. I'm going to show you the rest of the document, but just know that we're in phase 1 of the curriculum writing process, and the rest of the document will not be complete until later in the process. Content literacy skills, that actually won't be a part of our document because obviously our curriculum incorporates literacy as it is, but that portion of the framework will be a part of the other core contents documents. Supporting resources, that's where we're going to list out only the district adopted resources, so you'll see things like Pearson. But one thing that will be different for you is that you'll notice it just says, see the approved novel list from policy 4600, which means that we've opened up your ability to use the entire list at any point in the course of the year versus us telling you suggested novels for this particular unit or quarter. Social and emotional skills, Blue Valley School District will be using CASEL, and you'll hear more about this within your building or maybe even at the district level. And again, in phase 2 of the document, you'll see us bring in those CASEL tenants, and you'll learn a little bit more about that. Technology skills, we're going to be using the ISTE standards for students. Again, they will not be a part of the feedback loop at this time because that's another phase of the rewrite process, but wanted you to know that that will be a part of the document in the near future. And then last, you'll see key learning experiences. So these are going to be flexible student-centered activities that we believe every student during this quarter or this unit should experience. And you'll notice once we start sending these out to you and you see the things we've come up with are very open-ended, which kind of allows you to help design instruction that's best for your kids. And really ultimately, that's what we want you to know about this framework that's been developed by the district, is that's exactly what it is. It's a framework. It's a structure for you as teachers to really tailor your instruction and design learning that's best for your students. So after you watch this video and it's kind of giving you the background, you're going to see there's an attachment to a Google form. That's our first feedback loop. So I'll be sending you the first unit or quarter that the curriculum rewrite team has worked on, and there'll be some questions for you to give feedback on. And I would really appreciate you taking the time to do that. And just know that I am here for whatever you might need. You can just email me if you have questions or if this video doesn't quite make sense. It's just the best way for us to get this information to you in the most timely fashion. Okay, thank you so much, and we're looking forward to seeing your feedback.